this palm rest for a friend of mine at work out of Padauk and maple, and it fell off the table and it broke because the maple absorbed all of the glue, and this Padauk is pretty smooth here. So I thought, why not try for the first time some CA glue and activator? Yeah, never tried this before. So you'll be seeing the first test. CA glue is super glue, but the activator makes it bond instantly. This is Inoteca Instant Bond. I got this package from Home Depot for, I don't remember how much. It says it bonds in 3 seconds. So let's see. You put the crazy glue or CA glue on one piece, spray the other with activator, and it's supposed to create this instant bond. So I'm gonna purposely use the smoothest sides just to see, really give it a test. Put some dabs on there. Okay. This down. Ooh, that was a lot. And go. 1, 2, 3. Holy cow. That stinks, but... Oh, look at that. It actually broke the wood. Okay, this is gonna work quite nicely. Look at that. 3 seconds. Okay. Sweet. Ta-da! This stuff is awesome. I'm very impressed with this stuff. I'll leave a link in the description below. Yeah, if you need to do quick repairs, look at that. It's awesome. I like Minwax poly, wipe-on poly. Oh, there you go. Goes on quick. Something like this doesn't need a lot of protection, but I just want to make it pop a little. So, there we go. Ooh. All right, that's it. I'll let this dry. Ta-da. Ooh. Thanks for watching.